Dear audience of Atavatan TV Channel, good evening. I'm Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. President of Turkmenistan to meet with US President Donald Trump. The President of Turkmenistan, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, held a regular meeting of the Cabinet of Ministers via the digital system. A report on the preparations for the esteemed President's working visit to the United States of America was presented at the meeting. As noted in the Vatan news program, Deputy Chairman of the Cabinet of Ministers and Minister of Foreign Affairs, Rashid Meredov, reported that preparations are currently underway for the head of state's working visit to the city of Washington at the invitation of the President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, with the goal of holding a high-level bilateral meeting and participating in the Central Asia-US Summit. After listening to the report, the esteemed President noted that relations between Turkmenistan and the United States of America are being developed at a high level. The head of state emphasized that the upcoming summit in America will contribute to the strengthening of mutually beneficial cooperation between our countries. As we previously reported, the President of the United States of America, Donald Trump, had invited the President of Turkmenistan, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, to participate in the Central Asia-US Summit, which will take place in Washington on November 6th of this year. CIET 2025. Turkmenistan signs MOUs with companies from UAE, China, Japan, and Germany. The first day of the international conference, Development of the Construction, Industrial, Chemical, and Energy Sectors of Turkmenistan, CIET 2025, in the Awaza National Tourist Zone, was marked by the signing of a number of bilateral documents. The Ministry of Energy, the state-concerned Turkmenhimia, and the Ministry of Industry and Construction Production of Turkmenistan signed memorandums with partners from the UAE, Japan, China, and Germany, demonstrating Turkmenistan's firm commitment to the comprehensive modernization of its industrial complex, digital transformation, enhancement of energy efficiency, and diversification of exports through deep processing products. Makul English Turkmen Dictionary published in the US. A new milestone for Turkmen language and culture. The Makul English Turkmen Dictionary, prepared by Dr. Dovran Orazgylyjov, has been officially published in the United States and placed on the Amazon platform. The dictionary includes more than 16,000 English words with Turkmen translations across fields such as law, business, medicine, sports, and artificial intelligence. Dedicated to the 34th anniversary of Turkmenistan's independence and the 30th anniversary of neutrality, the publication aims to strengthen the presence of the Turkmen language in the digital and AI era. In addition to the printed edition, users can access digital and audio versions through www.makulsozluk.com and the upcoming Makul Dictionary mobile app. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.